With 34 batteries to a mile and a whopping less than 1 horsepower, we present the brand new used Hoover hovercraft from Hoover Inc. With a top speed of 21.2 kilometers an hour with one person or 12.4 kilometers an hour with 2 riders, it's everything you want out of a hovercraft. Featuring an all-new untested pan-pendant skirt-folding design, a check engine light that comes on every 2 kilometers, and blowers loud enough that it'll make the entire neighborhood think there's a jet plane cruising down the street. Using a brand new, never before seen, innovative 2-iteration design process involving a prototype that didn't even work, we've brought to you the absolute best that can be made on planet Earth. Utilizing 2 lift blowers to get maximum performance out of our skirt, as well as 3 rear blowers for thrust, and 2 more in the front to push the limits of what a piece of wood and plastic can do. And most importantly, we have cup holders.